What's up, YouTube? So we got a rare treat in Appalachia the last few days. We got 4 or 5 days with no precipitation. That is super rare. So I was able to get out here with the tractor. There goes Mason, there goes Tyler. I was able to get out here with the tractor and tiller, and we even brought the dozer out. Some of the ground is still frozen, but the places that have been in the sunlight are pretty good and they're gonna work up. So we're gonna do big bikes for a while, and then I'm gonna let Weston and a couple of his buddies ride here in a little bit. But I wanna take you guys and show you this new section we made on the turn track. If you've been around this channel, you've probably seen hundreds and hundreds of the same laps on the same turn track. Well, there is an old section on top of the mountain over here that we used to ride that's kind of grown over, and I finally cleared it back off with the bulldozer and actually made a new part of it. So I want to go show you. Let's go check it out. I am on the Yamaha today solely because it was already muddy and my KTM was clean, and being able to wash is sketchy in February. You never know when you're going to get to do it. So all right, so you guys know we normally come around this way. This is a long straight. What you guys may not have known is there was actually a straight coming down this hill and a little ski jump right here. So we got the dozer back up here and cleared all this off. It actually goes over around through here, but the dozer stalled on us there. We're charging the battery. So for today, we're just straight shotting it through here. Through these roots, GNCC style, and down this hill. All right, so let's do a lap. You gotta be especially careful today, because there's sections where it's good, there's sections where it's mud, and there's sections where it's froze. Kind of cut this inside. Then we're cutting left through the grass here. All frozen. Coming this way, trying to hook a rut here. Up this. And back around like that. So there you go, one lap. It's just something a little different to ride today, and it was a lot less for me to till, because when it's muddy and thick like this, it's way more work to disc with the tractor. So I only had to disc about half of it today.